Yo, what's up guys? This is Anthony here with 4Second 6th Gen, and today I'm going to talk about the latest mod that I added onto my car, and that was the new Hero Taillights by Phastek, and I'm going to show you some other little mods that I added onto the car. So thanks for watching and let's get into it. Here it is. Here's the finishing results of the new taillights being installed. And it looks awesome. Like, you cannot tell me it doesn't look pretty good. Now I know you guys probably looking like there's something different about your car that you haven't did before, and you're right. Like while I was installing the Hero tail lights, I blackened my Camaro light, my emblem, and I blackened my third brake tail lamp, and I blackened my reflectors down here. These are normally red, but I blackened those just so the back end can look complete more together. That's how I feel like make the car look stand out a little bit more. And I also added some, well, the lighting not too good over here, so I'll go on the other side here. And I also blackened the reflectors down here, so that's blacked out. And the front reflector is also blacked out. So those are the latest mods that I have added on to the Camaro. So the next thing, there might be like some big steps. Like I'm gonna get the car wrapped. I'm going to obviously replace the rims, like I said, of course, because it's I'm tired of looking at the brake dust. So I figured the black rims will prevent me from looking at it as much. So now I'm going to show you guys how it looks like with the brake lights actually functionally working. So let's get into that. Okay, so that's how the lights function in the daytime and pretty much all the time, but now I'm going to show you guys how it looks like at night, because at night what really makes these lights in this car stand out. So I'm going to show you right about now.